I'm gonna just go ahead and hit it with 320 here and here. And then that way, whenever I come to paint, I just seal it here and then paint all this. And then I'll burn it here. So what I was gonna do over there, I would just do it over here. And then I might end up having to buff this quarter panel and then this door right here. So it'll look pretty good. But I was looking the other day, this side, look at that. It's a lot of damage, man. You know? But they didn't tell me to do that. And you know, look, it's all been painted before, man. Look at this part right here. Same thing as the other side. Some dents everywhere. Oh, in a lot of spots. This hood's been This fender's been painted before, look. Yep. Bumper. Probably the same. Yep, it's been painted before, look. Hey, you can see the orange peel. Yeah, so you can tell when stuff's painted. I know, look, check that out. Focus there. That's been painted, obviously. This whole car probably been painted before. So I have this, has this bumper. A lot of shit has been painted in this car. But the point is, we're gonna do the best we can, make it look pretty damn solid. So that way our friends can buy it or sell it. And we get another car after this. So here's that spot on that pillar we were talking about where we're gonna decide to sand. Got some 180 here we're gonna hit with first, and then we'll hit it with some 320 afterwards. You see how it's more bright right here? And then you come over here, it's like fading in. That's what we want. So we want to disappear all this shit. And over here, I've noticed that it's spreading more over here. So all this is gonna come down. That's pretty much what we're doing right here. Alright, look. That's what it looks like sanded down. Pretty good. But check this out. Right here. It's gonna keep peeling, man, and there's no telling how much more, so I would just go ahead and sand it down with 320 this time so it can smooth out the 180 scratches, and probably 600 after that. But look, over here is doing the same thing, so there's no telling how long this will happen. Like, I'm pretty sure the whole thing is gonna fuck up later down the road, but it is what it is, you know. This is what they want done. Yeah, that's what we're looking like. I mean, better than what it would look like if I would have painted everything good and then this. So, I mean, I guess that's good. I don't know, but yeah, I'm definitely not painting the whole quarter panel. And for the sun damage part, I'll probably just hit it with some 600 wet sand, 600. Just smooth it all out. I'm gonna end up sealing all this right here. Alright, so let's hit it with that 320 now. 180 right here. Alright, 320. Put that bitch on. And let's go. So the purpose of this is, we did it with 180, which is a tougher grit. The 320 is a lot smoother than the 180, so the purpose of doing this is it's taking all the 180 scratches off. So when we go to paint, you won't really be able to tell. Like, you won't be able to see the scratches, you know? And yeah, after this, I'm gonna do it with 600 grit, so it'll be even more smoother. So that's what the purpose of doing this is, over and over. Okay, now we're gonna start wet sanding. I'm using Sunmite 600 with the soft block. This is a badass block. I think I got it for like $5 at Bumper to Bumper. Got our soapy water right here. Like I said before, we've deleted the 180 scratches with the 320. Now we're deleting the 320 scratches with the 600. And this should pretty much be the final sand. Other than like a quick one, 800 with the DA on the soft pad. And a little more and should be good. Can I believe this is my fucked up ass car? That's my car. This is what we drive every day. It's crazy how I fix cars for a living and mine looks like shit. Well, I don't ever have time to fuck with it, you know? So that's why it looks like that. It's kind of embarrassing sometimes because when I open the door, it pops. It's because the pin's in the way and it's just fucked, man. But whenever I do fix it, I'm gonna paint the grill and other shit on it. I don't know, paint it black or something. But I just wanted to show y'all what my car looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Looks pretty soft, smooth. Right here, like I said, that's not gonna come off. It will if I sand the whole thing off all the way down. Same here, but this is the best it's gonna get. So we can get it painted and out of here. Now I'm gonna be sanding the sun damage here with 600 wet. Alright, so we got this pillar done. We got the sun damage taken care of. This peeling, it still looks like not good, but you know, as good as it gets. We've sanded our door down all the way. Now we got our hood to go. Still need to sand it down. Before I sand it down, obviously I'm gonna wipe it down more. Look at that, it looks like shit. That way my paper don't get clogged up. My sandpaper, there it is. Where the fuck is it? Okay. Yep. Hopefully our fender comes in tomorrow so I can show y'all how we get it done here, you know? Shit. Show y'all some paint action. Some glossy ass clear coat.